Hello everyone, I am Dr. Qiao from the Department of Gastroenterology and Hepatology. Today, I would like to introduce the two-piece nasogastric tube combination connector and the Qiao patch.
Now, let's proceed with the assembly tutorial for the flexible combination connector. First, measure the internal length of the patient's nasogastric tube. Use tape to mark the nasogastric tube. Then, cut the nasogastric tube to the appropriate length. Assemble the nasogastric tube with the flexible combination connector using a tool. The nasogastric tube, after being assembled with the flexible combination connector, becomes a custom-made two-piece nasogastric tube for the patient. What are the benefits of the two-piece nasogastric tube?
We can eliminate the excess length of the nasogastric tube outside the body. Traditional nasogastric tubes often have excessive lengths that remain outside the body, requiring adhesive tape for securing due to the excessive weight. Under the condition of daily changes, the patient's skin is easily damaged. However, with our Qiao patch, which is designed to be skin-friendly, it can be repositioned to different locations for application. It can be repositioned to allow the skin to rest. Plus, it has this length, the design of this 360-degree rotating universal clip. It allows our nasogastric tube to be suspended within the nasal cavity. This can actually prevent the nasal cavity from being compressed and damaged. Some patients feel self-conscious because of the nasogastric tube. With this two-stage combination connector, we wear masks, so people don't know we have nasogastric tubes. Encouraging patients with nasogastric tubes to go out and interact with others is a very good practice. Thank you, everyone. I am Dr. Qiao from the Department of Gastroenterology and Hepatology.
The flexible combination connector is compatible with 14FR, 16FR, and 18FR nasogastric tubes. Caring with love is our commitment and our promise. Alga Technology Company, Limited.